Is WhatsApp really listening to our conversations? Following WhatsApp's new privacy policy released earlier this week, social media has gone into a frenzy, with millions of people concerned about breaches in their privacy and fearful that their conversations are now being recorded. With over 2 billion users worldwide, WhatsApp has become a part of our lives and an intimate method of how we interact with our friends and family. As such, we've seen a mass exodus of people migrating over to competitor companies such as Signal and Telegram, while social media has been flooded with memes, jokes, and plain outrage. So what has actually happened? Truth is, nothing's really changed. The new policy has only just clarified what the company has long been doing since 2016. WhatsApp has been sharing your data with the Facebook family for many years now. The only difference is now it doesn't give you the option to opt out. This doesn't mean they can, however, listen to or record your conversations, but it does grant WhatsApp access to quite a lot of your data. This information is then shared with Facebook and Instagram to target you with personalized ads according to your interests. It's how they make money while keeping you as the product. And while WhatsApp isn't capable of reading your conversations due to end-to-end encryption that prevents third parties from peeping in, the whole commotion has got me thinking about a certain third party that actually can. And no, it's not another sneaky prayer app that has unfortunately sold out. I'm talking about something that records every conversation, every comment, every meme, every emoji, every wink, every sneaky text we sent that we probably shouldn't have. Even those disappearing messages on Instagram that go away after 24 hours. Of course, and as you're probably already aware, I'm speaking about the two angels on our shoulders. إِذْ يَتَلَقَّى الْمُتَلَقِّيَانِ عَنِ الْيَمِينِ وَعَنِ الشِّمَالِ قَعِيدٌ. One seated on the right and the other on the left, entrusted to monitor and record every utterance we make, whereby the one on the right records all that we do of good and the other on the left all that we do of bad. ما يلفظ من قول إلا لديه رقيب عتيد. Not a word, not an utterance do we make without having this vigilant observer ready to write it down. You see, throughout this entire debacle, we've seen how people react to the fear of being listened to or the fear of being watched. And of course, this is no doubt a legitimate fear and one which we should take all necessary steps to protect ourselves from. But let us never lose focus of that which records us around the clock. That which records our every action and our every word, only to be compiled into a book that will be presented to us on the Day of Judgment, and it will be ordered to read. اقرأ كتابك. This is most definitely a record of information that should undeniably keep us far more worried and concerned. So yes, be mindful of how mobile apps can access your data and record your information. Perhaps change your phone settings to limit what access they have, and maybe even try some DIY to prevent them from accessing your camera and microphone. But never forget the recording that doesn't stop until the very end of our lives. May Allah have mercy on us all and make the angel on the right very busy while the angel on the left with very little to do. Ameen.
If you enjoyed this video and everything else that OnePath does and would like to see us produce more content, then please support us. Go to www.onepathnetwork.com. You can support us from as little as $1 a day. Much love and appreciation, and may Allah bless you all.